Hello, this is Andrew with Simply Made Homestead. Today we're going to show you how to put a border on your walkway. The other day we showed you how to level your stones and set them, and today we're going to put some finishing touches on that entranceway, and these are the tools that you're going to need. Very simply, we have our bricks back there. We got a hoe just to dig out where you want to lay your bricks, your pavers. And you can use a 2x4 or a 4-foot level. Only thing that's there for is just to make sure the tops of your bricks are level and even. And then I got some extra pea gravel. This is to fill in some extra gaps that we may have. And ironically enough, we're going to need a garden hose. So this is the area that we're doing, and it's just to put a separation between each of these garden beds of the entranceway and give it a little bit more welcoming and distinct character. Laying the bricks is more about your personal preference and how you feel you want things. If you like it in perfect straight lines, everything's in alignment, fine, great, and do that. I'm not that way. I like curves. I like more of a erratic behavior. So mine's not in that way. It's just how I prefer things. All right, so we had a glitch in the technology here today. Somehow our video here with the main course of everything getting done just didn't get recorded. So I'm kind of backtracking a little bit and to show you some of the steps that we did. And also, this part needed to get taken out too. I didn't like the curve and just reevaluated the way it needed to get done, so kind of a bonus. All right, so, and I apologize for the goats in the background. They know it's dinner time. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take a hoe, kind of pull out some of this excess dirt here, place the bricks, and then backfill it with this pea gravel. Okay, so I got to the end of this last row here. I realized that this is just too long. So ironically, I just need to cut right where there's a natural split here from the factory. And so let's go do that. All right, so to cut this stone, ideally you need to have a masonry blade or a tile cutter. I don't have any. So I do a lot of lumber work, and when I'm done with it, when the blade gets dull, I keep it for such occasions. Yes, I'm one of those people, like I still find a use for something. All right, so I have this blade right here. I just used my little skill saw. It's past its prime. It's had years and years worth of use out of it. But I use it just to cut miscellaneous stuff. I had to cut some sheet metal with it here not too long ago. So anyways, this will be a good time to use it on this brick. Now, I will reiterate, these are not made for tile, so you just gotta take it nice, or brick. You gotta take it nice and easy. Don't put any pressure if you're doing such a thing. This is my little safety warning out there. So, anyways, just be careful. These are not made for it, but this is what I am using. Always wear your safety protection. Nice cut. It'll work for what we need. All right, well, since we're in the backyard, I thought I'd stop by and get a little goat love. These are our new additions to the family, Athena and Fiona. All right, so it is mid-afternoon and it's kind of a nap time for them, so they're not too active. All right. All right, so let's see how these bricks fit into the new section. You can see how the brick tapers into the ground a little bit on both sides. So, all right, you can see our gecko lizard. Our gecko lizard here has already found it. So I'm gonna go ahead and backfill. That'll help keep the bricks in place, and then place these bags of pea gravel along in the stone here, and any place else that needs any low spots here, just kind of give it a good freshen up. So again, I'm just using my square point shovel. I feel like it works best to level it and place the materials where they need. So if you got any value out of this, any appreciation, look at that, there's a corn dog or cat. He's first to walk down it. If you got any value out of this, please share, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and we appreciate it, and it helps us out. Thank you very much. God bless. Have a wonderful day.